It's going to be part 2 of the Bob and Pixie hairstyle video. So we kick things off with this gorgeous pink shoulder length bob. This is a very pretty hair color, very unique. Definitely a longer bob moment. And then we move into this gorgeous blonde and black contrasting pixie haircut. I love her lashes too, by the way, so pretty. And hopefully we will get a full look at this particular pixie from the front. Then we move into another hair transformation. So it looks like she might be either getting a faded pixie cut or she might be going completely shaven. Let's see. So she did end up getting a completely shaven haircut. And then we move on into this beautiful kind of copper toned pixie cut. This one does feature beautiful bangs in the front of the hair as well. Gorgeous hair color. So with the next pixie, this is kind of like a unicorn inspired color, I would say. A lot of purple, turquoise, and silver tones happening. And I love seeing this color combination of hair, and I love the fact that it is in the form of a pixie. Very edgy and modern. And then we move into another pixie haircut. This one is of a shape up, looks like he is styling the hair. So you can, of course, wear your pixie haircut multiple different ways. You can wear it spiked up, slicked down, slicked back. And I think that's one of the best things about having a pixie haircut is that you do get to choose a lot of versatility with the style. It's an extremely versatile hairstyle, and you can change it up depending on your mood, the occasion. Love the spikiness behind this one. Very edgy, kind of Peter Pan vibes. And next up, looks like we see a curly not pixie, but bob hair transformation. Oh, actually, she might be getting a pixie, yeah. Now, because she does have kind of naturally wavy curly hair, she can really play around with the texture with her pixie. Oh, love it. She does have longer bangs as well. Beautiful shape. And then here looks like we have a nice cute little undercut hairstyle happening. And once again, this is a hairstyle that you can play around with as far as the styling options are concerned. And then we move into just different variety of haircuts. Pixie, shaven, another pixie, longer bangs. So much variety with the pixie haircut. Ooh, love the tri-color that one had. Purple, red, brunette, silver, platinum color. Oh, so she added curls with that one. All right, you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed checking out these Pixie and Bob haircuts with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.